XM38 new supercar style smart key, upgraded design, one push disassembly. Watch now and say goodbye to brute force disassembly. Step 1. Press the button to remove the key blank base. Step 2. Hold the key head and push forward to detach the side parts. Step 3. Locate the pry spot and gently open along the groove. Step 4. Remove the remaining parts in sequence. Step 5. Assemble.